Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith and this is the Faith Walks channel where the pathways of faith are limitless. Today I am going to be creating this beautiful holiday eye look using the Indi Beat Cosmetics Frankincense and Myrrh Eyeshadow Palette. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, baby, then make sure you keep on watching. You know you want to. Hi, welcome back. All right, so as I said in the intro, I will be doing a holiday look. As you can see, I've already gotten started. I did one eye off camera and I wanted to do one eye on camera with you guys. But today's eyeshadow palette that I'll be using, and I will probably be doing like a series of holiday eye looks. I think the next one will be neutral. So if you're looking for a neutral holiday eye look, then please make sure you put that down in the comments and I will be sure to do that for you guys. So I wanted to showcase this beautiful palette by Indi Beat Cosmetics, and it's called the Frankincense and Myrrh Palette. Okay. All right, so let me show you the inside. Oh yes, okay. So as you can see, we have the red, we have these sparkly colors, we have gold in there, we have the burgundy, we have the brown over here, and the green. Like, so you know I had to come through with a holiday situation, and that's kind of what we have going on here. Now what I also have going on is transfer in my crease, but hey, so if you haven't hit the subscribe button, what are you doing? Subscribe. Subscribe. I always forget. Subscribe please. Yeah, y'all. I'm so excited, and I'm really glad to kind of get in the holiday spirit, because you know, with everything that's going on, it's like hard to be in the holiday mood, right? So my face is already primed, and I am using what did I use? I used the MAC paint pot and Painterly to set my eye, and what I'm gonna do is just go back over, because it will settle in my crease. As you can see, like, I don't even know what I was thinking about doing a wing, because we're going to get transfer, but it kind of looks like a cut crease. It kind of looks intentional, so we might work that, you know what I'm saying? But one thing about this is, again, this is by Indi Beat Cosmetics, okay? Look at this. All right, so there are glitter shades in this palette that are self-adhesive shades, so you do not have to put in any type of glitter glue or anything in order for them to adhere to your eye. You can just put it on. You can put it on your lip. You can do what you want to do, honey, okay? And that's one thing that I like about it, and I'm gonna just swatch one of them for you. This is the shade All Ye Faithful, okay? Ooh, did y'all see that? Look at that duochrome glitter shade, and this is just pure glitter. So you know we have to do something with this. We have to do something with this shade. That's coming. I'm gonna be doing holiday looks, I told y'all. So I am gonna swatch a matte shade for you guys as well. Look at that. That's the red. That's the shade Mary. Did you know, honey? Did you know? Mary, did you know? Okay, and then I'm gonna swatch a glitter shade for you, and we'll just swatch the gold one called Hallelujah, and this is your regular shimmer shade right here. Look at that. It's just blinding. Okay, we blinded. Okay, so we are gonna get started with this eye look. It's very simple. I go into the shade Emmanuel. Okay, like I said, I prepped with the paint pot. I also, sorry y'all. So I just go in with Emmanuel, which is that green shade at the bottom, and we go to work, okay? So I just go in with the brush and I start patting in here, and we just blow it out. And I, used a big brush, but do I care? No, I don't care. But yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and following this holiday series with me. I appreciate every one of you who's been commenting and subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. Like, y'all don't even know. Every time I see another subscriber, another person comments and says something nice about the work that I'm doing, it means a lot to me, and it makes me feel good that you guys are enjoying what I'm doing. So yeah. And like, as you can see, these eyeshadows are like so pigmented. Pigmentation. You really can't even see because my lights are so bright. I might need to turn it down because I want y'all to see like the true intensity of the pigmentation. So I might turn it down after I'm done with this eye so you guys can see, because this is, for me, this is a Grinch green. Okay, so that's what we do for that. Then I take the P. Louise base in the shade Hint of Mint, and I cut the crease first and then I fill in with the Hint of Mint shade. So if you saw this on the back of my hand, that's what it was. But I haven't used this yet. I bought this and I haven't used it, and I'm like, let's use this today. Let's use it. And I just take my time. I know some people like wipe it off and all that kind of stuff, but nah. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of drama going on over here because we got transferred from the base. But again, I'm not worried about it. We're just going to put some more of that green shade over top of that. But wow, when you have hooded eyes, wings are not a game, okay? All right, you have to mark as best as you can because I think this one is more deep set than this one. This one was easier. I just foop, 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 foop. And it was good, but this one was a little bit harder to do. Like a little bit of lot. Like I wanted to scrap this whole eyelid, just saying, you know? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into Born is the King. That greeny shade, yes, y'all are catching it. Yes, there's green in it, silver, aquamarine. Is so pretty. So like I said, don't get distracted by this. If you can, I'm gonna try. You know what, I don't want to distract y'all. I can't tell y'all don't get distracted and then I'm distracting you. See, that's what I do. I ain't worried about it. We just put this green over top and blend it out. You see what I'm saying? Because this glitter is gonna go on top and it's gonna transfer to there anyway. Because we have pretty eyes. So what are we doing? We're still doing wings with a hooded eye. That's what I do. Okay, so like I said, we're going into Born is the King. Born is the King, and I'm gonna show you just what it looks like to put, oops, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm just tapping it, and you see it's very squishy, but there's adhesive already in it. So I'm going in and patting it onto the wing. And I know I didn't tell y'all, my fingers are all dirty, but I didn't tell y'all what brushes I'm using. But this is by BH Cosmetics, and it came in the Sculpt and Blend, but I don't know which version because it's like 2 versions. But it's the 132 brush. And this is very easy to apply. Oh gosh. If you also get glitter into, you know, anything, you want to try to remove it, this is, you take a spoolie, get rid of it that way. So going back into Emmanuel again and re-intensifying that green. And then I only used one more color, and it is simply the shade Let It Snow, and it's that pastel cream shade. And I just used it for, oops, I'm sorry, I just used it for my brow bone and to just blend that green. So I just go into my brow bone, even in the front of it, just to blend that green into it. And that just allows that area right above to be seamless. We're just gonna be seamless, huh? See, now we have a seamless, more seamless blend. I'm excited. Ow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with this. It's a neon eyeliner by LA Girl, and it's in the shade Fresh. That's the shade. So it's kind of light. We're just gonna go in. And so that is it for so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to do the bottom lash line and inner corner with you guys, okay? Right back. Alright, I am back with the face. But yeah, this is my face. Okay. So now what we're going to do is do the bottom lash line. I don't think the separation that I'm getting right in these areas. First of all, I removed a lot of the primer from that area. So I think that's where part of the separation is coming from. So I'll just pat in with a dense brush the green shade. But I'm going to go back in with that green shade again. And go to do the bottom lash line. And we're going to keep it light and bright and airy. But again, that's the shade Emmanuel. And just going in right. Right under that eyeliner. Whoop. So we're gonna just accept the fact that we're gonna have a little bit of glitter, because it is what it is, right? All right, going in with a little more of that green at the bottom. We looking real green, honey. We looking real green. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared to put the glitter in my inner corner because I don't want to get it in my eye. But we're going to try it. And I'm going into Silver Bells. I'm using the same brush. Do I care? I don't. Silver Bears. Lord have mercy. It's not bears. Silver Bells. It's Silver Bells, honey. Okay. So I'm going to close my eye while I apply. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. So we just about to have glitter everywhere. It don't even matter anymore. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay? So what I'm going to do is add on some lashes, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. But honey. Okay. Well, guys, this is the finished eye look. Okay. And I gotta talk quick because my battery is low. Ugh. But y'all, I'm feeling like holiday happy, like really, really excited. Okay, so on my lip, I used the Half Caked Lippy that I got in BoxyCharm in the shade Bordeaux, 82 Bordeaux. And I used Cola lip liner by, here we go, Cola lip liner by Juvia's Place. Yes. So I think that the performance of the eyeshadow palette was bomb. It was just a little user error on my part with not making sure that I had the primer where it should be. But I love the glitter, self-adhesive glitter. It's so pretty, and even though it's transferring, I have a hooded eyelid, but it's so pretty. I put it in my my inner corner. It's gorgeous. Tell me what you guys think about this look. Do you think it's easy? Would you go out and get this palette? Again, Indi Beat. Yes, Indi Beat Cosmetics. They're on Instagram. Check them out. It's a beautiful palette. One more time. Great for the holidays or any days, okay? So, and then get you in the spirit. So, yeah. Let's do it. I love it. I love it. And more looks are to come. Let me know what type of holiday eye looks you want. Put it down in the comments. Yeah. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.